fire incident has unfolded in the Veerabhadra area of Bengaluru, where a shocking blaze has quickly engulfed multiple buses. The fire ignited with alarming speed, leaving authorities scrambling to contain the inferno. Upon receiving reports of the fire, 2 fire tenders were dispatched to the scene, racing to the location to combat the blaze. Firefighters are currently on site, battling the flames to bring the situation under control. The site of the incident is situated near a local bus stand where several buses have fallen victim to the raging fire. Preliminary investigation suggests that the fire may have originated from a nearby garage operating under the name SV Coach, which is known to use cutting and welding machines. As of now, no casualties or injuries have been reported, offering a glimmer of relief amid the concerning situation. Firefighting teams continue their efforts to extinguish the blaze, and exact cause of the fire remains under investigation. Stay tuned for further updates on this developing story as the situation unfolds.